Hi, welcome to this technical indicators video on the RSI or Relative Strength Index. The RSI is a way of measuring strength and weakness in a stock or instrument, and I'm going to show you a couple ways on how to use it in trading. Right now we're looking at a chart on HOGS, symbol HOGS. We have a Relative Strength Index indicator down here on the bottom with the standard default setting of 14. There are a couple different ways of trading with the RSI. One is to identify trend lines and use that break of a trend as a trigger point for a buy or sell. And another way is to watch for divergence between the RSI and the price action. So on this chart on HOGS, a 1-minute chart, let's draw a trend line on this RSI here. So we have the RSI trending down as well as the price. And notice right here is where you get the break of the trend, where it breaks through, comes back and tests it, and then continues moving up. Well, a lot of people use this break as an entry point, and you can see that that lines up right with the reversal of when the stock went from coming down, buyers began to take control, and it started to move up again. Let's take a look at a different chart. Here's a chart on IRM, Iron Mountain. This is a 3-minute chart. Here's another example of the RSI trending down. And notice on the break right here is right where the stock reversed, went from 34.20 to 34.70, so almost a 1.5% move. This happened right at the close. And here's a third chart on NVLS. This is a 3-minute chart as well. You can see, drawing a trend line, we have the RSI trending down, and right here at the break we have the stock turning up. Went from just under 31.20 to almost $32, so almost an 80-cent move on a $30 stock is a nice move. Now let's take a look at one more chart. I'm going to show you a different way to read the RSI. Here's a 3-minute chart on QLIK Technologies, symbol QLIK. Another way to use this RSI is to identify divergence between the RSI and price action. Let's go ahead and draw a couple trend lines on this chart. You can see we have pricing trending down with lower lows, and we have the RSI starting to trend up with higher lows. So higher lows on the RSI and lower lows on the price action is an indicator of divergence, where there's a possibility that the trend will change. And you can see right here we had this second lower low here, and the price moved from just under $30 to nearly $32 in about an hour and a half. So using the RSI between looking for divergences and identifying the trend and watching for trend breaks can give you entries on both the buy side and the sell side to help give you higher probability trades. So let's do a quick review on the RSI or Relative Strength Index. It charts current and historical strength and weakness of a stock. It's plotted in a channel from 0 to 100. Oversold conditions are considered under 30, and overbought conditions are considered over 70. Sign up to receive our free Exact Trades movers and shakers at our website, www.exacttrades.com, and while you're there, check out our full library of products and services.